In this guide, we're going over how you can properly log out and unlink your Fortnite account on PlayStation or Xbox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you load it into Fortnite on your console and press log out, it's only going to log you out of your current session. And the next time you launch the game, it's going to automatically sign you back into the same account. To fully unlink your account, you have to do it through Epic Games, which in this instance, you could use it on like a PC or a mobile device. But essentially, open up a web browser of your choice. And once you're in that web browser, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to epicgames.com. So search up epicgames.com. And then up in the top right, go ahead and sign into your Epic Games account. You may have to complete a verification step like entering in a security code sent to your email. But once you're logged in, select your profile picture and then hit account just like so. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. On the left-hand sidebar, what you're looking for is a linked account section or a connections tab. Select that, find whatever platform you're on, for example, Xbox or PlayStation, and hit unlink on that account just like so. It'll have you confirm. And then it's going to say something like link instead of unlink, indicating that you've done it correctly. Whenever you load back into Fortnite again, you'll be on the link account section. And from here, you could sign in with a different Epic Games account or link a new one. But it really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.